Hello family, welcome to Naomy Crochets and Lifestyle. So today we are going to make hairband. In this tutorial we'll be using winter king yarn, tape measure, a 4mm hook, then scissors. Start with foundation chain. And then make chains. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I ended up making 65 chains. So if we measure this, measure without stretching. It adds up to 19.5. This is the measurements according to the head circumference. Ensure you have the measurements. If it's yours, measure around your head, measure your head circumference, and then start working on it. So this is 65. We will chain one more to be 66. So from here we are going to make half double crochet, and this is how we make half double crochet. You yarn over, insert your hook, then pull through, and then you yarn over, you pull through all. This is now half double crochet. Yarn over, insert to the next, yarn over, and then pull through, yarn over, insert to the next, and then pull through all. Now this is half double crochet stitch. This is what we are going to work on this hairband. So keep on working. It's so simple. I hope you can see clearly. Work through all until we have 65 half double crochets. Let's meet at the end. We have 65 half double crochet, and you are going to chain one and then turn your work. After turning your work, to yarn over and then go to the next, make a half double crochet, then go to the next, make half double crochet, to the next, half double crochet. Let's continue with the same pattern. Let's meet at the end. I show you one more time. We are at the end of row 2, so we are going to work on the same thing. We already chained one. You are going to turn your work and then continue working the same stitch, half double crochet. So you can make it big or small the way you want it to be, but ensure that your rows, you have even rows. That is 4, 6, 8 rows. So for this, I'm going to tell you the number of rows that I have made. Let's meet at the end. We have 6 rows. This is how it is. We are going to cut our yarn, and you are going to cut some inches so that so that we can sew up here. After cutting your yarn, secure it first and then you insert the needle. So this is how we are going to sew. You are going to take this to be almost a half, and then this other part you fold it. Now after folding it, this remaining part you fold it too. After now you have fold all parts, you are going to sew them. And this is how you are going to sew. It has no formula. You can sew anywhere, but ensure that you have sewed every part. After cutting the yarn, turn your work, and this is how it looks like.